Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the operation of ultrasonic sensor. So it is an instrument or an electronic devices that measures the distance to a target object using ultrasonic sound waves. So ultrasonic sensor uses a transducer for sending and receiving the ultrasonic pulses, which delivers us information about the proximity of an object. An ultrasonic sensor transforms the sound reflected to an electrical signal. Ultrasonic waves would travel faster compared to the speed of the sound, which is audible to the humans. So look at the diagram of ultrasonic sensor. There is two portions here. One is a transmitter and another one is a receiver. And there is a 4 pin in the ultrasonic sensor. One is the supply, uh, another one is the ground, one is a trigger pin to start the sensor, another is a echo pin to receive the signal from the receiver. So there is a two part, as I have said, transmitter and receiver. Transmitter, which sends the signal from the transmitter to an object. So the distance is calculated by using the formula t into c by 2, where t is the time taken, c is the speed of the sound. So for calculating the distance between the sensor and object, sensor measures the time it takes for the transmitter to emit the sound and it contact with the receiver. The total time calculated and the which is multiplied with the speed of the sound by 2, we can calculate the signal distance. A transmitter uses the piezoelectric crystal for generating the sound, and receiver finds the sound after it is traveled to and from the target. Ultrasonic sensors are mainly used as a proximity sensor, which are primarily found in anti-collision safety systems, automobile self-parking technology, robotic obstacle detection system, and etc. So the fundamental working principle of ultrasonic sensor is to measure the time it takes for the signal sent by a transmitter and sent back or propagated back to the receiver. It is evident from the name ultrasonic sensor that it operates on the ultrasonic frequencies. So generally the frequencies ranges beyond our audible sound to the humans, and these frequencies are greater than 20 kilohertz. Ultrasonic sensor is versatile in sensor technology and are used significantly in many industrial applications. So there are various types of objects that can be detected, such as solids, liquids, granules, and powder. So they detect the transparent object, shiny object, as well as the object for which the color changes. So ultrasonic sensor is an electronic instrument which measures the distance to a target object by the emission of ultrasonic waves and converting the reflected sound wave into an electrical signal. That is the main operation of the ultrasonic sensor. A separate sound emitters and receivers used by kind of sensors. It is visible to combine both the functions in a single device by using ultrasonic element to switch between sending the signals and receiving the signals in a continuous cycle. The transmitter module transmits an ultrasonic sound. If an object is present in front of the ultrasonic sensor, then this transmitted ultrasonic wave reflected and propagated back to the receiver. The sound reflected will be received by the receiver in the same module, both the module in the same device. Ultrasonic signal is reproduced by a wave at an angle of 30 degrees. To achieve the maximum accuracy, external object which come under this measurement angle will interfere to determine the distance to the object targeted. So the application of ultrasonic sensors are distance measurement, parking assistance systems, object detection and avoidance, level measurement in tanks, proximity sensors, traffic management. Thank you.